Hello class, welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to find the domain of the function, and we find the f of 4 comma y, which is equals to 8. Asked to find the value of y. Since the 4 is given the function f of x comma y is equals to x squared plus 3xy plus 2y squared. Since all is equals to 8, that is because we are going to replace x with 4 direct, and we have 4 square plus 3 into 4y plus 2y square. Then we have 48 equals to 4 square here is 16 plus 3 times 4, this is 12 y plus 2y square. Then we are going to divide both sides by 2 since all the number are even. Let's by 2 by 2. We have here is 24. This is equals 16 divided by 2. This is 8 plus 6y plus y square. We take everything to the right hand side. We have 0 is equals to y square plus 6y. This is 6y plus 8 minus 24. We have this is equals to 0. We have y square plus 6y, 8 minus 24. This is minus 16, and we resolve into quadratic equation. Let's solve the quadratic equation by finding two numbers. If you multiply, you got minus 16. What are the numbers if you multiply, you got minus 16? We have 8 times 2 to get 16. That is 8 minus 2. We got 6. This, therefore, we are going to replace this either y plus 8 or y minus 2 is equals to 0. Therefore, we have y minus 8. Y is equals to minus 8, or y is equals to 2, which is our solution of the y given here. Therefore, the value of y here is 2. We cannot take the negative value here. If x is 4, then y is 2. Then let's solve the next question. Says, what is the domain of f of x over g of x? To find the domain of this function, we have f all over g is equals to, we have 7x minus 3 all over x squared plus 2 minus 15. Since we resolve into the solution of quadratic equation here, therefore x squared plus 2 minus 15 is not equals to 0. By factorizing this, a multiple of 15 is 5 and 3. This is 5 times 3 is equals to 15. This is 5 minus 2 is equals to 5 minus 3 is equals to 2. The multiple of this one is cos 15. Therefore, we can replace x plus 5 for x minus 3 is not equals to 0. Therefore, we can say x is not equals to minus 5 for x is not equals to 3. We can find the domain of the function by saying it's either x, the domain of the function will be, this domain will be inside brackets. We can say from minus infinity to minus 5 is the union of, this is the union of minus 5 comma 3. Also is the union of, also we can say it's a union of 3 comma infinity. That is the domain of this function. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel for more video. Bye.